good. It works.
Actually, they both wrestle. They have some
Screwdriver.
Oh, shut up.
Engine.
Pandora's box of love.
Thanks, Kelsey. What?
I love scotch.
Fun stick.
15-year-old.
Ice cream truck.
Naked.
What if I do it?
Leather.
Stinky.
Hammer.
You know it.
That's not a word.
It's 3 words.
You can't do that.
Yeah, I can.
It doesn't even lead up to a noun.
You know it. Brooklyn. It's after. Before and
Then
after.
just say Brooklyn.
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 Ballin'.
Hood nigga.
We're gonna have to run extra when we get back. I know it. Because everyone's cursing.
Okay, go. I'm not cursing. It's a
Did he
nigga.
yell at us earlier about that?
Was it really?
Tommy voted.
Short stack pancakes.
Tommy voted.
You lose. Chili dogs.
Big nose.
Salami.
Red nose.
Zero.
Big ears.
Zero.
Ugly.
Nero's a handsome young man. Actually, he's beat.
He's B.
Centrum.
What?
You can't say that. I already said it.
How about Jupiter? Jupiter sounds good.
What are you guys doing?
Google.
The 5th moon of Uranus.
You mean that's it all the way together? What are you guys doing?
Anus. I'll stick it in their anus.